Hello, Stark here, and I'm sat inside the 2002 International 4300 series wrecker. I'm inside the workshop. It's night time and the lights are switched off. I want to see if I can film the interesting dashboard illumination of this truck on ignition and startup. The engine is the International DT466E. Current miles on the truck, 356,395. I'm heading for the light switch. There she is, 2002 International wrecker truck. With the excellent DT466 engine. Aluminum bed, rollback plus wheel lift. Well, thank you so much for watching. See whether we captured that dashboard illumination on the startup.